Hello from Slovenia again. I'm back from Pennsylvania where I had my first ever exhibition. I had a blast. I teach some lessons, one lesson too, and we had such a good time. My good friends Mina Valegas, Kelly from Feral Art, and Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, they came to visit me, to be on my class, be on my exhibition. It was a blast to meet them again, hang out with them, and yeah, I will put some photos at the end of this video if you want to see some. And today it's a first pour since I came home. I still struggle a little bit with time difference, and I'm kind of obviously tired. I wasn't there, but now I am. So I decided that I will just use some of those reds and greens that I have. This olive green, light green earth, I have 24K gold. I have DecoArt Extreme Sheen Ruby. I have permanent red, violet, and some carmine and some black. And I have this tool from Paint Punch store to blow, and I will just sorry, play with this a little bit. So yeah, and I have black for a background and a small canvas. It's 8 by 12 inch. So yeah, okay, the base is down. And I forgot to tell you, I sold 19 of my paintings and I was thrilled. And the most, I don't know, I was really happy when I saw people who didn't know anything about fluid art coming in and listen to explanation of the painting and bought quite some of them. A lot of them, or I will say most of the paintings were sold to people who didn't know nothing about fluid art. So I think that, yay, it was a big success in this point of view too. And thank you to Art by Rosie to sponsor this and invite me to this event, because it was a blast, you know that. So let's go to the pour. And I think that I should have a little white, but I don't, so let's just go for it. I will add a little green here first. Darker green. And I will separate greens and reds with some gold. This is 24K gold. We will see if maybe we will get some reaction too, I don't know. Some carmine red and some ruby. And permanent red violet on top. And I will blow. I'm trying to work on composition, and I kind of thought that I need a little some in this part, and now I want to work on this part. You know, that's sometimes it's a good thing, sometimes it's not, but I will just play with my finger a little bit. I kind of like it now. I like that I blow this on this part and that I have a little kind of detail here. The colors are a little weird, but you will have to wait to my next video for the dried result, because I will be a little I have to catch up with videos because I was away for 12 days. Had to prepare 11 days, had to prepare everything for that, and now I came home and I need a few days, 2 days to even get to the studio. So yeah, stay tuned for the photos from the New Hope, a beautiful town. I love that town. You have to visit if you didn't yet. And my exhibition. And see you again on the next one. Bye.